Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video we are going to discuss about scatter plot. Okay, it is most useful plot. Okay, and it is the only animated chart in Power BI. There is many more animated chart, but it is by default animated when we are talking about these charts which is present here. Okay, in this visualization pane. Okay, and I will show how you can use that animation. Okay, so basically we use scatter plot when we want to see distribution of measures or numerical values. Okay, so let's see the distribution of sales or profits in different categories. Okay, so here we want two numerical columns. Okay, so let's open our Power BI desktop and see how we can create a scatter plot. Okay, so this is our Power BI desktop, and here we need to select the scatter plot which is present here. Okay, and just click on this scatter plot. Yeah, so this is our scatter plot. I'll just open it on the okay, so this is our basic scatter plot. Now let's select sales from our data. First we select sales and then select profit. Okay, so this is the total profit and total sales which we have in our sum of total sales and sum of total profit which we have in our record. Okay, now let's select in this values. Let's put, when you see here we have this values. In this value let's just put subcategories. Okay, so here we have subcategories. We put subcategories in our values. Okay, and if you want to see these subcategories into a specific in what categories this subcategories will rely, then you can just get this category and put it on the legends. Okay, so here you can see that these dots will change the color. Okay, and it will clearly visible to everybody which category, which subcategories is rely on which categories here. Okay, so here you can see that the technology, or we can just go on this dot, okay, that point, and it will print you with some details about that point. Okay, so this is the maximum profit which we get. Okay, and here the technologies is having the maximum sales, and the subcategory is phones, and here the maximum profit in technology category is technology, and the subcategory is copiers. Okay, so instead of doing this, we just go to this. First need to erase this all. Okay, here we go to the format visuals and going to select or going to turn on the category label from here. Okay, so it will return this name of subcategories from which this points were belongs to. Okay, so it will print the name of subcategory. Okay, you can increase a size of these so that it will more visible. Okay, now it is visible. Okay, now let's go to our visuals. Okay, and here next we have is size. Okay, so here we are talking about the size of these bubbles which we have here. Okay, and so the size of this bubbles we can set according to the quantity of the product. Okay, so here we have our quantity column, and just drag and drop this quantity column to this size, and here you can see that the quantity of the product which is sold is so according that quantity the bubble size will be changed. Here you can see that here the copier is having the less sale but maximum profit. Okay, sorry, less quantity but maximum profit. Okay, and here we have phones which is having the maximum sales but less profit. Okay, but its quantity of sales were greater than the quantity of copiers. Okay, because the bubble size of this phones subcategory is greater than this copier. Okay, now let's see how we can create an animation here. Okay, so here you can see that here we have this play axis. Okay, so we need to put something in this play axis so that it will show us the animation according to that. Okay, So just simply I want to see the play axis. Okay, don't want order date here, I want order date in this play axis. Okay, and you can see that the play button is here. If you just click on this play button, okay, you can see that animation is started. It will show you the sales on and profit according to each order date. Okay, you can also see the animation on the basis of category here. Okay, if we do not want to insert category on legends, okay, you can simply remove date from play axis and just put category here. Okay, so it will show the profit and sales according to the categories. Okay, look at this. Okay, the technology, sorry, it will remove from here. Okay. Here you can see first is technology, furniture, office supplies. Okay, so it will show you the through animation how sales and profit will increased or decreased in each category. Okay, so that's how you can create a scatter plot and make it animated scatter plot in Power BI. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.